Welcome to the Tech Factory, where the future is being built today. Step into 2035 and explore groundbreaking technologies like the Airspace Cabin Vision and Apple's Vision Pro. From futuristic transportation to space travel, join us in discovering the innovations that will shape tomorrow. Airspace Cabin Vision 2035. The Airspace Cabin Vision 2035 by Airbus offers a glimpse into the future of aircraft interiors. This innovative concept aims to revolutionize air travel with a strong focus on sustainability and passenger comfort. At the heart of this vision are bionic designs and lightweight materials, such as recycled polymers and bio-based fabrics. These eco-friendly materials help reduce environmental impact, making flights more sustainable. The cabin will feature interactive windows, giving passengers a more engaging view, and eco-friendly lavatories, which contribute to a greener in-flight experience. Airbus also introduces advanced materials like knitted fabrics and redesigned galleys to improve efficiency. These updates aren't just for aesthetics, they're carefully crafted to enhance passenger comfort while aligning with global sustainability goals. With the Airspace Cabin Vision 2035, Airbus is working to minimize the aircraft's carbon footprint and pave the way for an eco-conscious future in aviation. Nokia Technology Vision 2030. The Nokia Technology Vision 2030 focuses on the rise of 6G networks, which will transform industries by offering unmatched connectivity, speed, and data processing. A key part of this vision is enhancing human-machine collaboration with AI, enabling smarter, more efficient interactions. Nokia also envisions a future where virtual and augmented reality become everyday experiences, and smart cities are powered by sustainable infrastructure. Sustainability is a major priority, with efforts aimed at eco-friendly technologies that reduce carbon emissions. With a focus on digital health, intelligent automation, and limitless connectivity, Nokia's 2030 vision seeks to create a hyper-connected world. This vision aims to improve human capabilities and drive innovation across all sectors of society. SkyWay Technology. SkyWay is a revolutionary transportation solution designed with impressive advantages. Its unique vehicles glide above the ground on specially designed rail string overpasses, creating an efficient and futuristic travel experience. This elevated design isn't just about looks, it optimizes aerodynamics and increases speed, while offering an impressive level of safety. By using space efficiently, SkyWay promotes the smart use of land and resources, making it an ideal option for both urban and rural areas. One of SkyWay's biggest strengths is its minimal environmental impact. It provides a sustainable choice for both cargo and passenger transport, aligning with a growing need for eco-friendly solutions. With full-scale prototypes of tracks and rolling stock already successfully implemented, SkyWay has proven the practicality and efficiency of its technology. This multi-level solution has the potential to transform the transportation sector, making travel easier, safer, and more comfortable for everyone. Apple Vision Pro. Redefining virtual reality. The Apple Vision Pro is a bold step into the world of virtual reality. It offers an exciting exploration of what VR technology can do. This device brings transformative experiences to various industries, including entertainment, education, and healthcare. It opens the door to stunning virtual worlds and revolutionary training simulations. Written by leading experts, it provides a detailed look at the latest advancements in VR. The book also explores the ethical and social implications of immersive technology. Topics like privacy and the potential for VR to build empathy are discussed. With its insightful analysis and visionary thinking, the Apple Vision Pro is more than just a gadget. It's a gateway to understanding how VR reshapes our world and pushes the boundaries of imagination. Spaceship Neptune Balloon. Experience the thrill of space with the Spaceship Neptune Balloon, a state-of-the-art high-altitude balloon that offers a smooth and luxurious journey to the edge of space. Forget rockets and G-forces. This innovative balloon allows you to float peacefully up to 100,000 feet. Inside a comfy, pressurized capsule, you and up to 7 fellow passengers can enjoy stunning, uninterrupted views of Earth and the vastness of space through large windows. The ride lasts several hours, giving you plenty of time to take in the breathtaking scenery while relaxing in a climate-controlled environment. Spaceship Neptune Balloon makes space tourism accessible and enjoyable, providing a once-in-a-lifetime experience of our planet from an incredible vantage point. Alaka'i Technologies Skai, the future of sustainable air mobility. The Alaka'i Technologies Skai is a groundbreaking hydrogen-powered air mobility vehicle. It is designed to transform sustainable urban transportation. With its sleek, futuristic look, the Skai is a vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) aircraft that operates using hydrogen fuel cells to power its electric rotors. This means it offers zero-emission flight, making it an eco-friendly choice for the future. This innovative vehicle can carry up to 5 passengers and travel up to 400 miles on a single tank of hydrogen. It's perfect for both urban and regional commutes, providing a cleaner alternative to traditional modes of air and ground transport. The Skai's quiet operation, combined with its vertical takeoff capabilities, is aimed at reducing traffic congestion and lowering carbon footprints. It's a step forward in creating a more sustainable and efficient transportation system. For those looking to embrace the future of air mobility, the Alaka'i Technologies Skai is leading the way. UDCAP VR Gloves. Let's explore the groundbreaking innovation of the UDCAP VR Gloves by UDCAP. This company is a leader in developing flexible sensors, which play a crucial role in the rapidly expanding world of virtual reality. The UDCAP VR gloves are designed to bring the future of VR into the present. They allow users to interact with virtual worlds in ways that feel incredibly natural and precise. Comfort is a key feature of these gloves. They are made with a breathable, washable fabric that weighs just 45 grams, ensuring users can wear them for extended periods without discomfort. The real magic lies in the glove's advanced tracking system. By sensing fabric tension at 42 different points, the gloves can track hand movements with exceptional accuracy. They can even detect a bend as small as 0.01 degrees, making them incredibly precise. To further enhance the experience, the gloves include a micro-vibration system for tactile feedback. This adds a realistic touch to virtual interactions. Plus, the gloves are versatile. Users can attach sticks to them for activities like archery or controlling a dancing avatar's movements. The innovation and versatility of the UDCAP VR gloves have made them a hit. During a single Kickstarter campaign, UDCAP raised significant funds, proving the demand for this next-generation VR technology. With UDCAP VR gloves, the future of virtual reality is literally at your fingertips. Cubiio. The Cubiio is a portable laser engraver developed by the Taiwanese company Mujeres. It's a compact and user-friendly device that lets you engrave different materials with precision and ease. Despite its small size, the Cubiio is powerful. It fits right in the palm of your hand and can connect to your smartphone or computer via Bluetooth for easy control of the engraving process. With the Cubiio, you can engrave designs, patterns, or even text on a wide range of materials like wood, leather, paper, fabric, acrylic, and more. The device uses a laser beam to remove material, creating permanent markings or engravings on the surface. It also supports grayscale engraving, allowing for more detailed and intricate designs. In short, the Cubiio offers a simple yet powerful solution for anyone interested in laser engraving, whether you're working on creative projects or professional tasks. Unitree H1. Meet the Unitree H1, a groundbreaking humanoid robot. It's the first full-size general-purpose humanoid robot capable of running in China. Standing 1.8 meters tall and weighing 47 kilograms, the H1 combines agility and power. It boasts a maximum joint torque of 360 Newton-meters, making it the most powerful robot in its class. This exceptional strength allows it to perform dynamic movements, including walking and running. The H1 holds a world record for humanoid robots with a running speed of over 3.3 meters per second. It achieves this remarkable performance through an advanced powertrain and AI-powered world modeling. With its 3D lidar and depth camera, the H1 perceives its surroundings in 360 degrees. This technology ensures precise and safe navigation, even on complex terrains. The Unitree H1 isn't just a robot. It's a leap forward in humanoid robotics, setting new standards for agility, power, and intelligence. Céleste Zephalto. Step into the future of travel with Céleste, an extraordinary offering by the French aerospace company, Zephalto. Imagine rising to an altitude of over 82,000 feet, or about 25 kilometers above Earth, in a pressurized capsule lifted by a stratospheric balloon. This once-in-a-lifetime journey offers breathtaking views, with a panoramic range of 1,400 kilometers visible through 3-meter-wide windows. The capsule is thoughtfully designed with 3 private cabins, each creating an intimate cocoon for 2, offering ultimate privacy and comfort. As a passenger, you become a pioneer of stratospheric travel, experiencing a historic journey unlike any other. The full experience includes a 1.5-hour ascent, 3 peaceful hours in the stratosphere, and a 1.5-hour descent back to Earth. Expected to launch by the end of 2024, Céleste offers the unique opportunity to witness the curvature of the Earth and experience the overview effect, a transformative moment that changes one's perspective of our planet. Virgin Galactic. Virgin Galactic is the world's first commercial space line. It is dedicated to making space travel accessible to everyone. The company operates from Spaceport America in New Mexico, a state-of-the-art facility designed for spaceflight. Their suborbital spacecraft, the VSS Unity, is launched in a unique way. Instead of taking off like a traditional rocket, it is carried into the sky by a specially designed airplane called White Knight 2. Once at a high altitude, the VSS Unity detaches and fires its engines to reach the edge of space. Virgin Galactic has already completed multiple successful flights. Passengers on board get a rare, life-changing experience. From space, they can witness the beauty of Earth like never before, a phenomenon known as the overview effect. This perspective often inspires a deeper connection to our planet and its future. But Virgin Galactic's mission goes beyond just tourism. They aim to spark interest in science, technology, engineering, and math, STEM. Through educational programs and space-inspired initiatives, they hope to inspire the next generation of innovators and problem solvers. This groundbreaking effort is a huge step forward for commercial space travel. Virgin Galactic is turning the dream of going to space into a reality for many, paving the way for new possibilities in space exploration and innovation. Vast Haven 1. The future of commercial space stations. Vast Haven 1 marks a major milestone as the world's first commercial space station. Set to launch in 2025, it will offer groundbreaking opportunities for space exploration and research. The Vast 1 mission will carry 4 astronauts to the station aboard SpaceX's Falcon 9 rocket and the Crew Dragon capsule. The mission will last up to 30 days, providing a platform for scientific research and in-space manufacturing. With 1,000 watts of power and the ability to carry up to 150 kilograms of cargo, HAVEN-1 is equipped with advanced life support systems. It also features the potential for lunar artificial gravity through its spinning design. The space station offers privacy, flexible schedules, and an immersive experience. A large window dome provides breathtaking views and the perfect setting for photography. Additionally, with 24/7 communications and onboard Wi-Fi, this fully independent space station is redefining the future of commercial space exploration. HASSELL plus EOC. HASSELL and EOC have teamed up to design a groundbreaking concept for human settlement on Mars. Their goal? To create a sustainable, thriving community that supports life on the Red Planet. This vision features modular and inflatable architecture that can adapt to the challenges of Mars. The design includes advanced life support systems, renewable energy sources, and cutting-edge technology, making it possible to live on Mars. Every detail has been carefully considered, from the psychological benefits of interior design to the innovative solutions for air, water, and food production. The result is a habitat that prioritizes both physical and mental well-being. The concept is not just about survival, it's about thriving. It's about how humans can live in harmony with the Martian environment, setting a new standard for interplanetary living. This project paves the way for humanity's next giant leap, settlement on Mars. It's a beacon of hope, showing that a future beyond Earth is possible. NASA Moon Rover. The NASA Moon Rover, also known as the Lunar Roving Vehicle, LRV, or Moon Buggy, played a crucial role in space exploration during the Apollo missions. It was used in the Apollo 15, 16, and 17 missions between 1971 and 1972. Built by Boeing, this remarkable rover was battery-powered and featured 4 wheels. Despite weighing just 462 pounds, 210 kilograms, it could carry an impressive load of up to 970 pounds, 440 kilograms, including astronauts and their equipment. The Moon rover was designed for a top speed of 6 miles per hour but managed to reach a record speed of 11.2 miles per hour during its final mission. Transported to the Moon in a folded state, it was deployed upon arrival, enabling astronauts to travel up to 30 kilometers during each mission. This rover was invaluable for lunar exploration and sample collection. It allowed astronauts to cover greater distances, study more terrain, and bring back crucial materials for research. Today, the LRVs remain on the Moon, a testament to their historical importance and the ingenuity of space exploration. They symbolize humanity's achievements in pushing the boundaries of technology and science.